What the absolute fuck is this chemical? What are these lines? What is this chemical? What the fuck are these different types of circles? How am I supposed to understand what this chemical is? Well, don't panic. Today, I'm going to teach you how to read these lines and understand how these chemical bonds work and how to draw them yourself. So, let's start. Let's start with something simple, like propane, which is 3 carbons and 8 hydrogens. You would draw something like this: 1 carbon, 2 carbon, and 3 carbon, with 8 hydrogens to fill up all of the bonds. So we got 1 bond, 2 bond, 3 bond. This carbon is bonded to 2, so it only needs 1, 2 hydrogens, and this one also needs 3. So 1, 2, 3. Now this is a fully saturated propane. Now this is how a noob would draw it. A pro chemist like myself would do something like this. Boom, bam. Now that might look something completely different than what I drew before, but trust me, this is propane. In chemistry, every single end like this and bend like this, oh, like this, means a carbon atom. So we can see there's one end, one bend, and another end. So that equals to 3. Now, where are the hydrogens? I, how do we know how many hydrogens there are? Well, seeing how many bonds each carbon has, and if there aren't enough bonds, like we see this carbon right here only has one, 2 bonds, that means there has to be 2 hydrogens connected to it to complete its bond, to complete its valence electron. That was pretty simple. Now let's try reading this chemical. Well, how many ends does this have? It has one end, one bend, and another end. So it has 3 carbons. Now we can see clearly it has 8 oxygen. So we can write we can write 1 oxygen. Now we have to see how many hydrogens there are. Well, like I said before, we can look at how many bonds each carbon has. This carbon only has 1 bond, meaning it has 1, 2, 3 hydrogens, which we can tally